Did you know that the federal government owns and maintains nearly 1 million buildings? That's right, nearly 1 million. This staggering number is spread across the country, from the East Coast to the West, from the North to the South. Each of these buildings, whether they're office complexes, courthouses, or national parks infrastructure, serves a unique purpose and requires ongoing maintenance. This is where the construction industry comes into play. Every single one of these buildings needs construction goods and services. We're talking about everything from HVAC systems to electrical work, landscaping to plumbing, and roofing to masonry. It's a constant cycle of maintenance, repair, and replacement to keep these buildings functional and safe. To give you an idea of the scale, the government is replacing nearly 50 roofs every single day. That's around 18,000 roofs a year. And the best part? You don't need a license of any kind to become a federal government construction contractor. The history of federal government construction is as old as the country itself. It started with the necessary and modest structures of the early settlements. As the nation grew, so did the need for more complex federal buildings. This era saw the rise of monumental works like the United States Capitol and the White House. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, the federal construction industry took a leap forward. It was during this time that the government started investing in infrastructure on a large scale. Railways, bridges, and highways were built, connecting the country like never before. In the 20th century, federal construction became even more essential as the nation faced 2 world wars and the Great Depression. These events led to an unprecedented boom in federal construction, with projects aimed at bolstering the economy and providing employment. And here we are in the 21st century, where federal construction plays a pivotal role in the nation's economy and infrastructure. With every decade, federal construction has only grown bigger and better. The GCExperts are a shining example of the benefits of becoming a federal government construction contractor. Consider this: they have accomplished an impressive feat, completing over 1,000 federal contracts. Yes, you heard it right, more than 1,000. These contracts have generated revenue that surpasses a staggering $1 billion. Now that's what we call a success story. But the GCExperts didn't stop at their own success. They extended their expertise to others, embodying the spirit of paying it forward. For over a decade, they've been sharing their knowledge and skills with other contractors. They've taught countless individuals how to navigate the complex process of bidding, buying out, and performing federal construction contracts. Their guidance has empowered many contractors, equipping them with the know-how to seize opportunities and thrive in the federal construction sector. Their legacy is not just their own success, but the success they have helped others achieve. The GCExperts have paved the way for many more success stories to come. The future of federal government construction holds immense potential. As we look ahead, the increasing demand for construction goods and services paints a promising picture. The scale is staggering. The federal government is trying to invest nearly $1 billion every business day. With only 25,000 registered federal contractors, it's impossible for our government to achieve all their goals. The opportunities are endless for contractors like you to make your mark. And the best part? You don't need a license of any kind to tap into this vast market. The pathway is clear for contractors, both seasoned and new, to take part in shaping the future of our nation's infrastructure. The success stories of organizations like GCExperts serve as an encouraging testament. The future of federal government construction is bright, and it's waiting for you to be a part of it. Visit GCExperts.com for more information.